Hey friends, welcome to my new video. So today we are going to do some experiments and magics. So let's do it. So friends, for our experiment we need thread, cold water, ice cube and some salt. So let's do it. So let's put the ice on the water. So let's put this up here. Let's put this down. Now let's put some salt on it. Let's wait for 1 minute. So let's see the magic, friends. Whoa! It won't fall out, but it works. So friends, do you know how this happens? Because the salt increases the ice freezing point. So friends, let's move to our second experiment. For our next experiment, we need balloon and a vinegar and baking soda. So let's start the experiment. We need to put the baking soda on this water bottle and the vinegar on the balloon. So let's do it. So guys, let's start the experiment. Here is our vinegar. So friends, let's see the magic. You can see over here.
A few moments later.
Yeah! So guys, if you don't know what's behind the magic reason is because the baking soda and vinegar mixed together, they make a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye!